I have a simple, elegant, farmhousey themed twine wrapped Christmas tree to share with you guys. I know that was a lot to fit in there, but I hope you come check it out and let me know in the comments what you think. Also, don't forget, in the description I try to link as many of the products that I use as possible, and if I can't find the exact one, I try and link something very close. Alright, here we go. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization. To start this craft, I used some of these styrofoam cones from Hobby Lobby. They were in the Christmas section, and everything in the Christmas section is half off. Then I used some Dollar Tree twine and my hot glue gun. So I got the Dollar Tree twine that had the 3-pack, so it had 2 of the brown and 1 of the green, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to do 1 green and 1 traditional farmhousey twine tree. I put little bits of hot glue all around the base of the tree, and I continued to wrap. Now this is similar to the twine jars that I've done on my channel, but with the cone shape I had to go up and put little pieces of hot glue all throughout, all the way up. I couldn't just do it intermediately like on the twine jars. As I'm wrapping, you can see even with me doing the hot glue all the way around and all the way up, you can still see some of the styrofoam in between the twine pieces. We'll fix that in a little bit. Since I was having to put hot glue all the way up, I tried doing it vertically also, but I think doing it horizontally in little pieces worked better than doing a vertical stripe and trying to wrap that way. So here's the second round where we fix the styrofoam that's peeking through those twine pieces. Basically, I wrapped it a second time and I mainly focused on getting in those see-through pieces where I could see the styrofoam. I didn't focus on going all the way around so much as just getting those places and wrapping up until another one of those spots where the styrofoam was showing. This isn't an exact science and it's not going to look as perfect and straight as when you do the mason jars, but it still looks really nice and put together. And here's what it looks like when you're done with the 2 rounds of twine. Now that we have our twine wrapped trees, we can decorate however we want. These are some smaller styrofoam cones. You can find larger ones at other craft stores as well as the Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you a little bit of a comparison on how small this is. You can see it's actually smaller than my hand. So they're not really tall, they're just little ones, but you could also do a couple little ones as well as a big one if you wanted to have that kind of be your main focal point. I have a couple different ideas of how to decorate them. I haven't fully decided on which one I'm going to do, but right now Hobby Lobby has all their Christmas stuff 50% off, so I chose some little Christmas lights. They were $1. I also chose some little wreaths. They were $4, so down to 2. And then Dollar Tree has buttons. So within the buttons, there's some big ones and some small ones, and I thought those tiny ones would be really cute like ornaments on the tree. So we'll go ahead and play around, see what we like best, and see if we can get them finished up. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. What's kind of nice about these is that the chenille wire, it kind of sticks to the twine, so you can kind of get a little bit of an idea of how it would look if you didn't glue it on, and then how you're going to like it, how many you're going to want, where you're going to want them. I think it'd be pretty cute to have the wreath kind of at the top, and then I'm thinking maybe buttons around it. So I'm going to take a better look at that. If my girls were helping me, we would have a little bit of every color on there, but I'm thinking I want to stick with the reds and greens, more so the darker greens. Maybe not even the greens, maybe just the reds. This is another craft that would be really easy to do as a family because you could easily have your kids join in and help you choose the buttons and help you pick out the buttons or whatever you decide to put on there. So once again, I'm just going to cut this piece off. I did like how he looked there, so I am going to put him right there with just a little drop of hot glue. Not too much because I don't want it to goop. And then I'm really liking the red, so I think I might just stick with the red. Let's do a couple of these and see what we think. Get all the spider webbies away. Spider webby, hot glue strings, whatever you want to call them. There we go. There's tree number 1. Which honestly could be customized however you like it best. For the green tree, I'm going to try the little lights. whoops, that I just threw on the ground. I honestly think these would look really cute if you just had some sort of star you put on the top. I don't even think they need all that decorated up, honestly. The only thing with the lights is they kind of fall in the same spot as each other. It wasn't until I was watching this back that I saw I could have cut the string of lights in half and then wrapped them so that they hit in between each other. But hindsight's always 20/20, right? I'm probably going to finish it up like that and then cut these extra ones off and put them other places. I'm going to decide which one's going to be the back and which one's going to be the front, and I'm just going to add the lights like over here. So there we go. We have a tree with lights now. There we go. We made 2 different twine wrap trees, completely different styles. They can really be customized to whatever you like best. These are just my ideas. You can also go ahead and do the colors to match your decor, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye-bye.